and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how to harvest hawthorn berries. And hawthorn berries are a delicious and nutritious treat that can be found growing in the wild in many parts of the world. Here in Finland, they're growing all over the forests and they're available to many people. Some people harvest it as well. They make different kinds of things, including teas. They dry them to use them throughout the winter. They also freeze them as well. These small, beautiful red berries are packed with antioxidants and they can be used for different things as well. They've also been used for centuries as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to harvest hawthorn berries so you can enjoy them fresh and use them in your cooking and home remedies. First of all, I want you to find a hawthorn bush, a hawthorn tree. The first step is basically to find a bush that is loaded with ripe red berries. Now I want you to be aware that there are some wonderful hawthorn trees that are growing and they're basically located in busy roads. I want you to avoid these because these ones are filled with pesticides. They're filled with all sorts of toxins and from the gases of the cars. So I want you to avoid the hawthorn bushes are located in busy roads, in anywhere where there is pollution or where there is a high chance that pesticides are used. Hawthorn bushes can be found in forests, in fields, but avoid the ones along the roadsides. They're basically easy to recognize by their distinctive thorns and clusters of small white flowers that appear in the springtime. The second step is I want you to wait for the right time. Hawthorn berries typically ripen in the late summer or early fall. So it's really important to wait until the berries are fully ripe before you are able to harvest them. Ripe berries will be deep red in color and they will also easily come off the bush when you gently pull them. If the berries are still green or if they are hard, then it's basically not ready to be harvested. Step 3 is to simply gather your tools. So gather a few supplies to help you with the harvesting process. You'll need a basket or a bag to hold the berries and a pair of gloves to protect your hands from the thorns. You may also want to bring along a pair of scissors or some pruning shears to help cut the branches. Step 3 is to start picking. To harvest the berries, just simply pull them off the bushes. Take care not to damage the branches. Watch out for your hands. Hopefully you'll be wearing some protective gloves as well. You also use scissors or pruning shears to cut off the branches with the berries. Be sure to carefully inspect the berries for any signs of rot or damage before adding them to your basket. Step 5 is to wash and store the berries, and this is my favorite part. So once you've finished harvesting, it's really important to wash the berries to remove any dirt or any dippers. This is also a good time to inspect for any sort of a rot or any sort of insects as well, and just discard the ones that have any insects or any unwanted holes in them that indicate they are rotting or that indicate any sort of fungus as well. And then simply fill a bowl with cold water and then swirl the berries around to loosen any dirt. Drain the water, pat the berries dry with a paper towel. Store the berries in a cool, dried place until you are ready to use them. And my favorite way to store the berries is in the freezer. I also like to use the dehydrator method to dehydrate the berries to use them later on for any sort of tea making, tincture making as well, and also to use them throughout the winter time. And this is a simple guide to harvesting hawthorn berries. Whether you're looking to enjoy them fresh or use them in your cooking and home remedies, these tasty little berries are a great addition to use in your pantry and cooking. Happy harvesting, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't remember to subscribe, like and share. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.